So student, yesterday we finished question number 1 and 2 from the problem set 45, correct? Now today we are going to solve word problems. Today we are going to solve the word problems. First question. A law, a government office opens at 7 in the morning and closes at 3 in the afternoon. How long is this office open? Okay, one government office is there and it opens at 7 o'clock in the morning. Okay, तो वो ऑफिस कितने बजे चालू होता है? मॉर्निंग में 7 o'clock एंड क्लोजेस एट 3 इन द आफ्टरनून. आफ्टरनून में 3 o'clock को बंद होता है. हाउ लॉन्ग इज दिस ऑफिस open? Very good, Rudra. Before question only you have given the answer, Sumit. So वो ऑफिस कितने देर तक ओपन होता है? We have to find out. Okay. This is a word problem, so we don't want answer in a one word. Okay. Now, what you will write first? The government office opens at 7 in the morning. Okay. Then closes at 3 in the afternoon. Now both are both the time in the morning and in the afternoon. So we have to change the time into 24-hour clock. one time is in the morning and one time is in the afternoon. तो हमें दोनों टाइम को 24-hour clock में चेंज करना होगा. Now morning time is there, so we'll keep it as it is because there is no change in the morning time because 12 to 12 तक वो टाइम वैसे ही होता है. करेक्ट ना? जैसे मैंने आपको बताया midnight 12 to noon 12, आफ्टरनून 12 तक वो टाइम वैसे ही होता है. Okay, we are not going to change that time because it is a morning time, anti-meridian. But afternoon time we are changing. 1 o'clock means 13, 2 o'clock means 14. Now here 3 o'clock is there, means 15. So we are going to change this 3 into 24-hour clock. 24-hour clock में हम लोग उसे चेंज करने वाले हैं. So 3 means what? 15 hours. Okay, 3 means what? 15. 3 means what? 15. So what we'll do? We'll do the subtraction. So 15 minus 7. Now tell me the answer. 15 minus 7. Tell the answer. Very good, Smith. 8. 15 into 7. Sorry, 15 minus 7. 8. Okay. So 8. Okay. So how long is this office open? So this office opens for 8 hours. This office is open for 8 hours. Okay. Understood everyone? This simple question. Now next. Next one. Question number 4. A movie starts at 45 minutes past 3 in the afternoon. A movie starts 45 minutes 3 in the afternoon and finish 2.5 hours later. At what time does the movie end? Okay. एक मूवी है जो हम लोग नॉर्मली देखने जाते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कोरोना वी आर नॉट गोइंग, बट फॉर मूवी वी आर गोइंग. Okay, so a movie starts at 45 minutes past 3. 45 minutes past 3. So how will write this? 3:45 p.m. because it is in the afternoon. Correct? Now it finished 2.5 hours later, and that movie finished 2.5 hours later. So we have to tell at what time the movie end, वो मूवी कितने बजे खत्म हुई वो हमें बताना है. ओके, सो मूवी स्टार्ट आफ्टरनून में स्टार्ट हुआ, so 3:45 is the time. 45 minutes past means 3:45 in the afternoon. Okay, and finish at 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours means what? Half hour means what? 45, sorry, 30 minutes. 2.5 hour means 2 hours and 30 minutes. So we'll add this 2 hours and 30 minutes. Okay. Okay. Now our answer is 5 plus 0, 5. 4 plus 3, 7. Okay. 3 plus 2 is 5. Now, yesterday only I told if 75 is there, means more than 60 is there, we are changing that minutes into hours. हम लोग वो minutes को किस में convert करते हैं? Hours में. So 75 minus 60 because 60 minutes equals to 1 hour. तो हम लोग इसमें से 60 मिनट्स निकाल लेंगे. इसका मतलब क्या होगा? 1 hour आगे के आर कॉलम में ऐड हो जाएगा. ओके ओके. Now 75 minus 60, so 5 minus 0 is 5, 7 minus 6 is 1. Correct? So 15 minutes बचे. Now this 60 minutes, Rudra, will you wait better for 2 minutes? Don't hurry. Now 75 minus 60, so 15 minutes will remain. Correct? Now this 60, so you people are able to see the screen? So we can tell the movie finished at 6:15 in the evening, or 6:15 or 15 minutes past 6. ओके, ये हम लोग उसका आंसर लिखेंगे. The movie ends at 6:15. Okay, so everyone understood this question? Okay, now we'll solve the next one. Okay, now we'll solve the question number 6. Okay, question number 5 is very simple one. You will practice it. If you will not able to solve, I'll solve it for you in the next lecture. वो बहुत easy सम है. Okay, आपको वो सिर्फ ध्यान देके पढ़ना है. I am telling the solution. उसका solution मैं orally बताती हूँ. You will do by yourself. And if you are not able to do, I'll solve for you. Okay. Sakharam was plowing the field from 8 in the morning. Okay. Sakharam ने field को plow करना start किया. कब? 8 in the morning. At 12:30 in the afternoon, he stopped and started for home. And in the afternoon 12:30, he stopped. Okay, plowing. He stopped the plowing and he started for home. उसने मॉर्निंग को 8 o'clock को स्टार्ट किया काम करना, प्लॉ करना स्टार्ट किया और वो 12:30 को रुक गया. ओके, ही स्टॉप द प्लॉइंग इन द आफ्टरनून एंड ही गो बैक हिज होम. वो घर जाने के लिए निकला. He reached home at 1:30, वो 12:30 को घर पे जाने के लिए निकला and Sakharam reached home at 1:30. Okay, क्वेश्चन समझ लो. How long was he plowing the field? तो उसने कितने देर प्लॉइंग किया, उसको कितना टाइम लगा प्लॉइंग करने के लिए. So what you will do, you will change this 12:30 into 24-hour clock. Then 12:30 means what? 00:30. तो उसने कितना देर काम किया तो आपको पता चलेगा. Then second question, how long did it take time to reach home from the field? और उससे घर पहुंचने के लिए, फील्ड से घर पहुंचने के लिए how long did it take? Okay, उसे घर पहुंचने के लिए कितना टाइम लगा to reach the home. So what you will do, you will again minus 12:30 from 1:30. तो 12:30 1:30 में से कैसे माइनस करोगे? अगेन 1:30 and 12:30 you are going to change in the 24-hour clock. Okay, समझ में आया? So very simple one. Now question number 6. Rambau started the water pump at 10:30 at night. Rambau started the water pump 10:30 at night and put it off the same night at a 11:45. रामभाऊ ने नाइट में 10:30 को पानी देना स्टार्ट कर दिया और वाटर पंप स्टार्ट किया. ओके, एंड पुट इट ऑफ, वो पंप बंद किया एट द सेम नाइट, उसी रात को 12 बजे से पहले मींस 11:45 को उन्होंने बंद कर दिया. सो वी हैव टू टेल एट हाउ लॉन्ग वाज द वाटर पंप ऑन. तो वो वाटर पंप कितने टाइम स्टार्ट था. ओके ओके, so before solving this, anyone will tell me the solution. So Rambau started the water pump at 10:30 in the night. So Rambau started in the night 10:30. Okay, and he put it off the same night. उसी सेम नाइट को उन्होंने वो बंद किया, वाटर देना बंद किया, वाटर पंप को बंद किया. एट व्हेन 11:45. 11:45 means what? 15 minutes remaining to 12 means 11:45. Okay, 11:45 means what? 11:45. Okay, so we have to tell that how long was the water pump on. तो water pump कितने टाइम ऑन था ये हमें बताना है. ओके, समझ में? नाउ so water pump started at 10:30. Okay, and in the night, and water pump stopped at 11:45 that same night. उसी रात को 11:45 11:12 को वाटर पंप बंद हुआ. ओके, रामभाव ने बंद किया. सो वी हैव टू टेल एट हाउ लॉन्ग वाज द वाटर पंप ऑन. वो कितने टाइम तक वाटर पंप चलते रहा. ओके, सो व्हाट विल डू, विल माइनस 10:30 from this 11:45. Okay, we'll minus this 10:30 from 11:45. क्योंकि जो एंड हुआ उसमें से अगर हम लोग स्टार्टिंग का ऑन हुआ टाइम अगर माइनस करते हैं सो विल गेट द एग्जैक्ट आंसर. सो विल डू द सब्ट्रैक्शन. 5 minus 0 5, 4 minus 3 1 and 11 minus 10 is 1. करेक्ट, 11 में से 10 गया. या फिर 1 minus 0 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So the pump on till the time 1 hour 15 minutes. वो pump कितने देर तक चालू रहा? 1 hour 15 minutes. Okay. Very good, Vidisha. Understood, everyone? Okay. So the pump was on for 1 hour 15 minutes. Okay. Now next one. Geeta taught in the classroom for 2 hours and 25 minutes in the morning and 1 hour and 45 minutes in the afternoon. How long was she teaching in all? Okay. गीता है जो क्लासरूम में इन द मॉर्निंग 2 hours 25 minutes टीच करती है, सिखाती है. ओके. एंड 1 hour 45 minutes इन द आफ्टरनून. और आफ्टरनून में कितना टाइम वो सिखाती है? 1 hour 45 minutes. सो हाउ लॉन्ग वॉज शी टीचिंग इन ऑल? तो वो टोटल कितना डे में, पूरा दिन में वो कितना सिखाती है? हाउ long was she teaching in all? So what we'll do? We'll do the addition because we want the actual time. We want the time overall she teaches in the whole day. तो वो पूरे दिन में कितना सिखाती है, कितना पढ़ाती है, वो हमें चाहिए. So what we'll do? We'll add the time in the morning what she teaches and we add the time in the afternoon. Okay. So we'll get the overall time she teaching in all. वो पूरा दिन कितना पढ़ाती है वो हमें पता चलेगा. So morning time is 2 hours 25 minutes and afternoon time is 1 hour 45 minutes. Okay. So morning time is 2 hours 25 minutes. Correct? 2 hours 25 minutes है ना? And afternoon 1 hour 45 minutes. And in afternoon 1 hour 45 minutes. What we'll do? We'll do the addition. Now you people will make the column. Okay. आप लोग यहाँ पे कॉलम बनाओगे hours minutes. Okay. Now 2 plus 2, sorry, 5 plus 5, 10. Carry over 1. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Okay. So 70 minutes are there. 2 plus 1, 3. Now, as I told you, if a minutes more than 60 minutes, that 60 minutes we are converting into hour. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग के पास है 70 minutes. We'll minus 60 minutes from this 70, so we'll get 10 minutes. Okay, 70 minus 60 means what? 10, no? Correct? So this 60 minutes will go here and here 1 hour will add. So how many hours will there? 3 plus 1, 4. 4 hours. And how many minutes will remain over here? 70 minus 60 will go. So how many minutes will remain over here? 10. Correct? So in a whole day, how much time she teaches? 4 hours, 10 minutes. How much time she teaches? 4 hours, 10 minutes. Understood, student? बहुत simple sums है. If you solve, okay, तो आपको पता चलेगा कि ये बहुत ही सिंपल है. इसको बहुत ज्यादा दिमाग लगाने की जरूरत नहीं. Very easy sums are there. Okay. So she was teaching in all 4 hours 10 minutes. Okay. 4 hours 10 minutes. Correct? Very simple one. Now next. If a bank is open for business from 10 in the morning to 4:30 in the evening, how long is it open? Okay. जो बैंक है बिजनेस के लिए मॉर्निंग में 10 o'clock को स्टार्ट होती है और इवनिंग में 4:30 को क्लोज होती है, तो बैंक कितने टाइम के लिए ओपन होती है, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. ओके, सो व्हाट इज आवर सॉल्यूशन? Banks open at in the morning 10 o'clock. Okay, in the morning means AM, and closes 4:30 in the afternoon or in the evening. After 4 o'clock there is evening, so it ends, sorry, it closes at 4:30 in the evening. Okay, so we have to change this 4:30 into 24-hour clock, because एक AM हो एक PM हो ऐसा नहीं होता. We have to change both into 24-hour clock. But 10 is in 24 o'clock only, because it is a morning time, so we are not going to change it. Okay, so it will remain as 10 o'clock only. So we are going to change this 4:30. So can you tell me 4:30 into 24-hour clock? 4:30 मतलब 24-hour clock पे कितना होगा? Can you tell me? Very good, Sumit. Answer is very quick. Vedanshi, no beta. Not 20:30. Very good, Kaniksha. Very good, Abhay. Very good. So when we are writing 24 hours time, that time we are not writing PM. Correct? No, yesterday only I told you. So 16:30. Okay. Now, so what we'll do? We want the time at how many hours the bank is open. So what we'll do? We'll minus 4:30 means 16:30 according to 24-hour clock. Okay, so हम लोग क्या करेंगे? We'll subtract 16:30 hours and minutes. We'll subtract 16:30 and 10. Okay, because banks open at 10 o'clock in the morning, तो हम लोग 16:30 में से 10 o'clock माइनस करेंगे. So 0 minus 0 0, 3 minus 0 3, and 16 minus 6. Oh, sorry, 16 minus 10. 16 minus 10. 6 minus 0 6. 1 minus 1 0. So bank is open for 6 hours 30 minutes. Bank is open for 6 hours 30 minutes. बैंक कितने टाइम तक ओपन होता है? 6 hours 30 minutes के लिए. बहुत सिंपल है. ओके, वेरी इजी. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? Understood? And I'm going to solve the last sum of this exercise. 9th one, again 10th one you will solve, because so many sums I solved now. 5th and 10th you people are going to solve. I'm going to solve now 9th one. If a shop is open from 9:30 a.m. to 10 p.m., how long is it open? एक शॉप है जो मॉर्निंग में 9:30, बिकॉज AM is given means 9:30 in the morning only. From 9:30 AM, AM means what? In the morning, to 10 PM. PM means in the night. Okay, in the night. So if a shop is open from 9:30 AM to 10 PM, how long is it open? ओके, तो हमें वो कितना देर ओपन होता है शॉप, वो ढूंढना है. वो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द टाइमिंग फॉर द शॉप. ओके, so again we are going to change 10 into 24-hour clock, because 9:30 is the morning time only. So we are going to change only 10, because it is in the night, it is evening time. Okay, so shops opens at 9:30 in the morning, and 10 is the timing for it's a closing time. Shop closing time is 10. 10 means how will convert this 10 into 24-hour clock? What time will come? Can you tell me? 10 means what time according to 24-hour clock? 24-hour clock से according ये क्या होगा? 10 o'clock means very good Vidisha. Vedanshi, how 50 will come beta? Very good. So many students are giving correct answer. Vidisha, Abhay, Archit, very good. 22. 22 will come. Okay. Okay. So 10. We are converting 10 into 24-hour clock means 22. Okay. Now what we'll do? We'll do the subtraction because we want the total timing for the shop. For how long that shop is open. Okay. So what we'll do? We'll do the subtraction. Smaller number will subtract from bigger number. So we'll minus 930 from this 22. Okay. Now, make a column. Here hour column. Here minutes column. Now, we are having time 22 hours because 10. So 22 minutes are not there. So what we'll do? 0, 0. And it opens at 9:30. So 9:30. 9 will go in the hour column and 30 will go in the minutes column. Now we can't subtract 30 from this 0, 0. हम लोग ये 30 में से 0, 0 में से 30 माइनस नहीं कर सकते. तो what we'll do? We'll borrow 1 hour from this 22. मैंने आपको कहा है कि हमें माइनस करने नहीं होते तो हमें r से बोरो करना है. When r will give 1 hour to the minutes, that 1 hour will change into 60 minutes. Okay, जब 60 से ज्यादा होते हैं तो हम लोग ऐड करते r में, और बोरो करना है तो क्या करेंगे? 1 hour बोरो करेंगे तो उसका क्या चेंज होगा मिनट में? 60 minutes. So we can't subtract 30 from this 0, 0. So what we'll do? We'll borrow 1 hour. So 22 gives 1 to here. So here 21 will remain and 1 hour goes here. That 1 hour will change into minutes. So 1 hour will convert into 60 minutes. Okay. तो यहाँ से हम लोग ने 1 hour बोरो किया तो वो क्या हो गया? यहाँ पे 60 minutes में चेंज हो गया. Now we can subtract 60 minus 30. 0 minus 0, 0. And 6 minus 3 is 3. Now here 0, 0 is there. That's why I didn't add. अगर यहाँ पे कुछ नंबर होता है 0, 0 की जगह पे, so I will add that number into 60 और जो आंसर आता उसमें से मैं नीचे वाला नंबर माइनस करती. Okay, we solved this sums yesterday only. Now 21 minus 9. 1 minus 9 is not possible. So what I'll do? Here 11 will come and here 1 will come. Correct? 2 gives 1 to this 1. तो यहाँ पे 11 आया और 2 ने 1 दिया तो 2 के पास आया 1. So 11 minus 1 is 2 and this 1 will remain as it is. So that shop's open for 12 hours. That shop is open for 12 hours 30 minutes. वो शॉप कितनी देर तक चालू रहता है? 12 hours 30 minutes के लिए चालू होता है. Okay, understood? Very simple one. Okay, so here we finish the problem set 45 also. Correct? Here we finish the problem set 45 also. Okay, and in the next week we are going to start chapter number 11. Very simple one.